हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हम लोग नया चैप्टर पढ़ने वाले मोल कंसेप्ट एंड स्टोइचियोमेट्री। इन दैट वी डिस्कस अबाउट द मॉलिक्यूलर वेट of compound. Now first we discuss about the atomic mass of several elements. Hydrogen 1. Some select example. Carbon atomic number 6, mass number 12. Nitrogen 14, atomic number 7. Oxygen 16, mass number atomic number 8. Sodium atomic number 11 and mass number 23. Magnesium atomic number 12, mass number 24. Aluminium atomic number 13, mass number 27. There are some selective example in this. Chlorine also, atomic number 17, mass number 35.5. It is used for calculating the molecular weight of compound. Suppose example NaOH. Atomic weight of sodium 23, 1 oxygen means 16, 1 hydrogen means hydrogen 1. Therefore total 40. It is the atomic weight of sodium hydroxide. Now another example NaCl. Sodium 23, chlorine 35.5, then total is equal to 58.8. It is a molecular weight of sodium chloride. Clear? Next CH4, carbon 12. There are total 4 hydrogen. Hydrogen atomic mass 1. There are total 4 means 1 into 4. Then 12 plus 4. Then is equal to 16. 16, it is a molecular weight of CH4, methane. Next, sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid having element like hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen. Hydrogen having 1 atomic mass, sulfur having 32 and oxygen containing 16. There are total 2 hydrogen, then 1 into 2 plus 32 plus there are total 4 oxygen, 4 into 16, then total 2 plus 32 plus 64 is equal to 98. Is equal to 90. Is equal to 98. It is the atomic weight of molecular weight of sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid molecular weight 98. Next example, we calculate the molecular weight or molecular masses of copper sulfate dot 5H2. Now copper sulfate 5H2. Copper atomic weight 63.5, sulfur 32, oxygen 16. Then there are total 5 times H2O. Then hydrogen 1, oxygen 16 molar mass. Then we calculate this way, and our molecular weight 249.5 AMU, atomic mass unit. This is a atomic mass or molecular mass or molecular weight of copper sulfate dot 5H2, 249.5. Students, next ethanol. In ethanol having 2 carbon, 2 12 ja, plus total number of hydrogen 1 6 ja, total number of hydrogen 6 plus 1 oxygen means 16. Then 24 plus 6 plus 16. Then atomic mass unit means 46. It is a molecular weight of ethanol. Molecular weight of ethanol. We calculate the molecular mass of carbon dioxide. Molecular weight. Carbon 12. There are total 2 oxygen 16 2s are 32. 12 plus 32 is equal to 44 gram. We also use in a gram. Carbon dioxide. Molecular weight of carbon dioxide 44. Next, ammonia. In ammonia having 3 hydrogen. 1 3s are 3 and 1 nitrogen means 14. 3 plus 14 is equal to 17. Atomic weight of or molecular weight of ammonia is 17. So let's see this 17 molecular mass. Now sulfur dioxide 64. Now we calculate the 64 atomic or molecular mass of sulfur dioxide. Sulfur 32. 2 oxygen means 16 2s are 32 plus 32 is equal to 64. The atomic or molecular mass, molecular weight of sulfur dioxide is 64. Next, calcium chloride. Now calcium chloride, calcium 40, chlorine 35.5. There are total 2 chlorine, means it is a 2 times. Then 40 plus 71. There are total 2 chlorine. 2 chlorine means 71. 40 plus 71 is equal to 111. Atomic weight or molecular weight of calcium chloride is 111. Now students, calculate the percentage composition of various elements. हम लोग कैलकुलेट करने वाले परसेंटेज ऑफ elements present in the any compound. Like example, sodium carbonate. In this sodium carbonate there are 2 sodium, 1 carbon and 3 oxygen. 2 sodium, 1 carbon and 3 oxygen. Now we are calculating the percentage composition of sodium, percentage composition of carbon and percentage of composition of oxygen. Now first we calculate the molecular weight of NO2CO3. So as we already discussed, the sodium atomic weight 23, carbon 12 and oxygen 16. Oxygen 16. 23 into 2 is equal to 46. Carbon plus 12. 16 3s are 48. That then total is equal to 106. It is a molecular weight of sodium carbonate. Molecular weight of sodium carbonate. Now calculate percentage of sodium. We calculate the percentage of sodium in 100 gram. Now this is a 2 sodium means 46 upon total molecular weight of sodium carbonate is equal to 106. Then we get the value into 100% means 100 gram. Then we get the value 43.4. Put the value and solve the example. numericals. Then we get the value 43.4. It is a percentage of sodium. It is a percentage of sodium present in sodium carbonate. Now we discuss another percentage of carbon present in sodium carbonate. Now this is a percentage of carbon. Calculate carbon atomic weight 12, only one carbon, therefore 12 into 100 upon 106. It is the atomic or molecular weight of sodium carbonate. Then we get the value 11.3% of carbon. 11.3% of carbon. Next we calculate the number of percentage of oxygen. Now there are total 3 oxygen and molecular weight or mass of 1 oxygen is equal to 16. 16 3s are 48 into 100 upon 106. Then we get the value of 45.3% of oxygen. This way we calculate the value of percentage of each element present in the any compound. In NO2CO3, sodium 43.4%, carbon 11.3%, oxygen 45.3% present in sodium carbonate. Now second example. Now in CH4 we calculate the percentage of carbon and percentage of hydrogen. Carbon 12, hydrogen 1 into 4 is equal to total molecular weight is equal to 16. Now only one carbon means 12. Then atomic weight 16 into 100. Then it is a percentage of carbon is equal to 75%. We get the answer 75% of carbon. Now remaining 25% hydrogen present, because there are only two content, carbon and hydrogen. Now we also discuss the presence of 25% of hydrogen. Now in this example, now calculating the hydrogen percentage, total hydrogen 4 means 4 into 100 upon 16. Calculate students, we get the answer 25%. Therefore in CH4 molecule having 75% carbon and 25% hydrogen. They calculating the percentage of elements present in the compound. Now in ethanol we already discussed calculating the ethanol atomic weight 46. Now calculate the number of carbon, number of hydrogen percentage and oxygen percentage. There are total 2 carbon, means it is a 24. Now students, 24 upon 46 into 100 is equal to 52.17% of carbon present. 52.17% of carbon present. Now next hydrogen. Now hydrogen, total 6 upon 46 into 100 is equal to 13.04% of hydrogen. And last one, oxygen. Now we discuss the oxygen. Now percentage of oxygen, there are only one oxygen. 16 upon 46 into 100 is equal to 34.78% oxygen. We calculating carbon percentage 52 point something, hydrogen 13 point something and oxygen 34.78. Then it is 100%. Then we calculate all the percentage of elements in compound.